guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes. And I got some shots of the fire from the boat, and I'd like to give you an update on the fire status, and I'd also like to show you some cool shots of the RJ100 water bombing. Anyways, here's an update. We are under evacuation watch here at the Mara landing in Sicamous. Down there, it's been evacuated, those homes there. Fire does appear to have gotten worse recently. We've been watching out here. It's moved a little more that way. The smoke cloud seems to have been bigger there, but it seems the fire's kind of gone out. They had it really going down to the road there, but it doesn't look as bad there right now. You can see smoke trail leading all the way. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what's there tomorrow morning, and I hope this fire doesn't burn down any homes, but only time will tell. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys back next time, and I will update you as much as I can, and be sure to stick around the rest of this video to see the videos of the RJ100 dropping water and us taking video of it from the boat. Anyways, bye.